everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform from where you can generate best return and you can keep your assets safe and secure. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return in the future, so you can join that, because most of the projects are scam and few of them are legend. So it's very important to study each and everything. So I will guide you how you can join that. So the name of this platform is MFEV.io. So I will guide you how you can join that, and all the information, all the detail is there. And please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how you can join that. So building trust block by block, and key to the decentralized future. So discover the revolutionary ecosystem with the MFEV blockchain, your key domination, the financial market through unnamed security and scalability and innovation. So you can join now, but at the moment I will discuss the main things, and after that we will discuss the entire project. You can see here the TikTok, our ICO here, secure here, spot now, and you can see here seed round is sold out and down about a 2.25 million raise, and it's a massive achievement, guys. So you can see their community, and next still 12 days, 6 hours and 20 minutes still remaining, so plenty of time left, and you can jump in, you can join the party, and you can generate best return. So next you can see, guys, they were very strong partners with backing up this platform. So I already told you that none of the platform can be successful without active and strong team. So you can join their links, and if you have any question and query, it's a perfect idea to join the links and become the member of their community for latest update regarding this platform. So next you can see here's the transforming industries with the MFEV blockchain. So it's the best opportunity for. So key features, so here are the key features are there. Layer 1, you can see here proof of distribution, and next you can see validator and delegator. So these are the best feature of this platform that's inspired me to introduce this platform in front of my community. Next you can see decentralized block development, P2P transfer, so all options are available under a single platform. Next you can see explore MFEV coin, the fuel driving our entire ecosystem. So here you can see the details are the universal utility, ecosystem integration. Next you can see reward mechanism and enhanced security. So they are providing you a perfect and secure system. And here you can see our desired ecosystem. So how it works basically. So you can see here blockchain, financial crypto exchange, and you can see here fast trade. Next, Meta Silver's NFT marketplace. Next you can see here the Meta Silver metaverse and crypto payment solutions. So I take my time and study this platform. So I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community, because I always try my best to introduce kind of project from where my community can generate best return in the future and their assets remain safe too, because it's my responsibility to verify each and everything. So next you can see unleashing the blockchain billions. So here you can see blazing fast and supremely secure and powered by an established community. Next you can see here the detail is mentioned, so you can easily study that and want to choose your Web3 journey now. You can easily register yourself, and then you can see join our global community. They have a very strong community, and you can join the community on Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So all details are there, and I will post all the links in the description if you have any questions, so you can jump in. Even you can join, you can send the mail if you have any question and query. So it's quite acceptable and safe way to start with this platform. Anyways, so these are the details and information that I provide you regarding this platform. I'm sure you briefly understand about that. And if you have any question, you can join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding these platforms. It's very important. So next, here you can see how to register yourself. Just post your username, first name, last name, and after that email address, password, and select your country, occupation, choose your interest, and next how did you hear about us? So all information after that, you can easily register yourself. And after registration, you can start your proceeding from this platform. So this was the detail about this platform. And once again, I'm requesting all subscriber and investor community, please verify each and everything, because it's a matter of your investment. So it's very important to study each and everything regarding this platform. And if you have any question, you can join the team. Even you can join their community links, and it's a perfect idea. You will be updated with upcoming news also, and you will be satisfied to see all the discussion will be there. So it's a perfect idea to verify each and everything. So this is Aloha. I'll provide you all the details, and if there is something missing, so you can join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail. So wish you best of luck, and we will meet our next videos. Till then, bye-bye.